video time, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make a Python Tkinter program. This Tkinter program will allow you to browse your files and show your files in a Tkinter video in a window. So let's get started. First, we're going to be needing to install Tkinter, so obviously pip install Tkinter. We gotta wait a few minutes here while I start doing this. So, okay, so first thing we can do is import Tkinter here. There is no error, that's good. So from Tkinter, so let's go back here. So what I want to do is import Tkinter as tk. So obviously after that, what you want to do is from Tkinter, you want to import. So from Tkinter, you want to import file dialog. So file dialog. Next, from PIL, you want to import image. So you want to import image and image tk. So now we're done with all the importing. So obviously, as we're done with importing, we need to start with our Tkinter window generation. So root is equal to, and after that, root title is equal, so is in a parentheses image program. So now we have all of this imported, and then we have generated our window for this. So at the bottom, I'm going to be putting in root.main loop. So there we go. We got root.main loop in here. And if we look at this, everything is running and it's all good. So next thing we're going to be doing is image label. So let's just go down a bit. Image label. There we go. Image label is equal to tk dot label it. So we're gonna label it. What should we label it? We're gonna just label root. After that, image label dot pack like that. Okay. Now that we have that, we wanna define open image. So this is gonna be our function. So inside this function, everything is going to be going on. So let's just put in file path. So file underscore path is equal to file dialog dot ask open file name. Then go inside the parentheses, type in file types is equal to add in a list. Inside the list is so you want to add in a list, and inside the list will be this, and with that we want to put in image files. Then after that, let's just put in star.png and let's just complete it like that. So we got everything normal one. So we are done with the file path, and inside that we have our file types. So that looks good enough. So this should be like that. And yeah, we are good to go over here. So this thing is closing, this is closing, and that is closing. So our function is done. We just gotta continue with a bit more. Now after that, if file path is, if file path go down, image, so we gotta put in image is equal to image open file path. Let's just tab it, and then we can go down. Then after that we have photo. So photo is image tk dot photo image, and then after that image underscore label dot config. So it should actually be dot config, not configure, dot config. Then image is equal to photo. So I don't know what's wrong with that here. Let's just try again. Image equal to, so image is equal to photo, and let's see what our error is. And let's not check it right now. We're gonna be debugging this line though. And then we can do image underscore label dot image dot image is equal to photo. So that's what we are going to be doing, and I think this is going to be image times, so image times photo instead, and that's still an error. So we are going to be checking it out later. Let's just put in what this gives us at the start. So now that all of this is ready, we can go down and have a simple two-line of code. Open, we're just gonna typing in open outside our function. Open button is equal to tk dot button and everything here. You see this thing's really smart. This thing is really smart. And and then open button pack. So as we have all of that ready, we can go and run this file. So let's just go here. Let's try to go run it over here. So here we gotta go there, then we gotta go here, and then run main.py. Let's give it a bit of time for everything to load up and get ready. So okay, let me bring it in here. So let me bring it in with us. There we go. We got our image program. Let's open up the image and let's put in, let's say, like PNG file. So we can put in PNG files. So I'm just gonna be putting in one of my old screenshots. So let's just say I'm gonna put in this screenshot, and you can see that this screenshot is now on our screen. And now we can open another image. Let's put in another random screenshot I have done. So like imagine this screenshot. And then after that, this is another screenshot that has been done inside our Tkinter browser. So as I said, this is a simple, really simple Tkinter program. I hope you like it. And toodaloo, see you in the next video.